January 15th, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. Good morning, my dear daughters. Divine inspiration comes when one is able to respond to the Spirit within. I am your constant companion and here to guide you as you travel on the pathway to the divine. That which you are enthusiastic about is the barometer by which you can determine whether or not you are responding to my guidance. Upon awakening, my daughters, what thoughts first come to your minds? How much of what you are thinking is influenced by that which is of the exterior? In order to hear what my spirit is saying, you must extricate yourself from those distractions which create barriers to the divine. Far too many of my children allow themselves to be distracted by technology, seeking constant ways in which to be entertained. I am not here to compete with that which distracts you. Rather, I am here within the recesses of your being, ready to guide you and counsel you in your daily endeavors. In working for me, you must free yourselves from those thoughts which dampen my spirit. I am not a spirit of darkness, but rather a beacon of light in this tumultuous world. I am the constant gardener of your soul and do not desire you to become stagnant. Reach out to others as I reach out to you. As earth angels, you have a never-ending wellspring within. You must remember no man or woman is an island unto themselves. When you do that which you love, you will attract kindred spirits. Not everything you do can be measured in dollars and cents. It is a wise person who uses their creative talents as an instrument of joy. When you share that which you create with others, you encourage others to create as well. That in itself inspires others, motivating them to use their natural talents, freely sharing of that which is given unto them. You are thinking of Kids' Kingdom. When you inspire others to exercise their imaginations and talents, you draw them ever closer to the divine. This is a way to keep the young and old from using technology as a constant source of entertainment. You are thinking once again, Kids' Kingdom. Think then on how you can inspire those around you. Ask yourselves what you value and what you enjoy doing. This is how you will find the answers you are seeking. I do not ask you to do that which you do not enjoy. Rather, I simply ask you to do that which comes naturally, and you will, as a result, be a guiding light for all to see. Do not let those who do not know me create barriers to your higher self. I am a God of abundance and never-ending joy. Thank you, my dear ones, for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 113 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you in these times.